Hi, it's Kaitlyn from Kaitlyn J Osteopathy. I just thought I'd go through some exercises that might help you with your neck and headaches. For the first couple of neck and headache exercises, we're going to use our foam roller or a spiky ball if you don't have a foam roller. For the first one, I'm going to place the foam roller just so it's at the edge of the mat. Then I'm going to come to lie on my back with my knees lifted up towards the ceiling. I want to place that foam roller just at the base of my skull into that little spot that you can sometimes feel like cause your headaches. We're going to start rolling our head from side to side as if we're saying no to someone. So turning your gaze to one side and then turning it to the other, feeling that nice little gentle massage or inhibition through that base of your skull, in through those little muscles, in through the top of your neck. Just keep rolling through there until it becomes too uncomfortable, or if you felt that tension relieve from your upper neck. The second one we're going to do is just open out through our chest and through our upper back. So we're going to come to lie on the foam roller. You want to sit at the very front of your foam roller and then lie yourself carefully down so that you're placing that foam roller along your spine, and you want that support through your head as well. So have your head balanced on the foam roller. If you've got a shorter foam roller, you can just place like a pillow or a rolled up towel underneath that head for support. Going to bring our arms out to the side into that capital T position, then relax our shoulders off the side of the foam roller. Relax through your head and neck, and just let those shoulders gradually sink over your foam roller, and lie there for a couple of minutes just to help open up through your chest and counteract that hunched posture. If you'd like to add on with your arms, you may wish to snowflake those arms down and all the way up, feeling that stretch through different aspects of your chest. If you find a really tight spot, you may wish to hold the arms there and just allow your body to sink. Take some time just to stay in the stretch. Next, we're going to do some simple shoulder rolls. So you can do this seated in a cross-legged position. If that's uncomfortable for you, you can come out with those legs straight out the front, or you may wish to sit on a chair as well. We're going to bring our hands towards our shoulders and then gently start to bring those shoulders down, up and back, almost like we're drawing a circle with our elbows on the side of the room. Circling backwards. We want to go for about 10 circles in that backwards direction. Feeling that loosen through your neck, loosen in between those shoulder blades. And when you've done your 10 backwards, we're going to start rolling forward. So drawing a circle in the opposite direction. Keeping those fingertips gently on your shoulders. And feel that nice circular movement. Aiming for about 10 in that direction also. Similar to the shoulder rolls, you can do this one seated, cross-legged, with your legs out in front of you or on a chair if you wish. We're going to place one hand to our knee, bring our opposite hand up towards the side of our head, and then gently tilt our ear down towards our shoulder to feel that stretch down through the side of our neck. You may wish to place your hand on the mat beside you or on your floor and sink down through that shoulder, dropping that shoulder a little bit closer to the ground to encourage that stretch all the way down the side of your neck. Take a big breath in, and as you exhale, gently tilt that ear a little bit closer to your shoulder and relax down through your opposite shoulder, sinking it down towards the floor. Inhale And then as you exhale, turn your chin to your chest, bring your gaze to your armpit, and feel that stretch all the way down the back of your neck into the base of your skull. Again, keep sinking through that opposite shoulder, allowing it to sink a little bit deeper towards the mat. Inhale. As you exhale, gently encourage that stretch, bringing your chin a little bit closer to your chest, your gaze a little bit closer towards your armpit, and keep sinking through that opposite shoulder. Inhale, exhale, release your head. We're going to go straight to the opposite side, bringing the opposite hand up towards our head, tilting that ear down towards our shoulder, bringing that opposite hand down onto the floor beside you, and gently sink that shoulder a little bit closer down towards the mat to encourage that stretch all the way down the side of your neck. On your next exhale, gently pull that ear a little bit closer towards your shoulder to encourage that stretch. Make sure it's just a stretching sensation. We don't want it to be painful. On your next exhale, turn your chin to your chest, your gaze comes to your armpit. Keep sinking through that opposite hand, sinking through that opposite shoulder, feeling that stretch all the way up the back of your neck into the base of your skull. Inhale. Exhale, gently encourage that stretch. Keep sinking through that shoulder, feeling that stretch all the way down the back of your neck. Inhale, exhale, release your head. We're going to stretch through the front of our neck also. For this stretch, we want to gently turn so our gaze is coming to the side of the room, and then tilt your head backwards, bringing that gaze slightly up towards the ceiling. Feel that stretch all the way down the front of your neck. You may wish to stretch that hand to the front of your knee and sink through that shoulder again to gently encourage that stretch. As you exhale, gently tilt back a little bit further to encourage that stretch down the front of your neck. Return your head back through center, and then we're going to do the same stretch to the opposite side. So gently turning your head as far as comfortable, bringing your gaze towards the side of the room, and then gently tilt your head backwards, bringing your gaze up towards the ceiling to feel that stretch all the way down the front of your neck. You may wish to bring that hand long and sink that shoulder down towards the floor to encourage that stretch even further. Inhale, exhale, sink through your shoulder, gently tilt back a little bit further. As you exhale, return your head back through center. If you're still feeling a little bit tight, you may wish to do all of those stretches again, holding them for about 30 seconds in each stretch.